Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best VR headsets for Steam. After hours of researching, we have selected the best VR headsets for Steam and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Valve Index VR Full Kit. This VR headset has all the specifications necessary for a first-rate gaming experience, which is not surprising given that it is a premium, first-generation VR headset. This PC VR headset offers sophisticated tracking, a maximum frame rate of 144 Hz, and a 130-degree field of vision. The specifications are encouraging, but what does it all mean? Extremely engaging and fluid gameplay. The meticulous engineering of the Valve Index's hardware is another one of its many strengths. This VR headset employs Steam VR tracking too, which uses external sensors in your environment to track your hand and body motions. The Valve Index enables full body tracking for maximum flexibility. Unlike lower-end headphones, the Valve Index is likely one of the best VR units for Steam games with this tracking method. It shines at first-person shooter titles like Pavlov VR, where fast-paced and competitive action may make or break a round. With 87 separate sensors, this headset's controllers are currently among the most responsive on the market. Additionally, they have a 7-hour battery life, which is sufficient for a full day of play on this VR headset before requiring a recharge. Number 2. Oculus Rift SPC-powered VR gaming headset. In addition to its comfort, the primary specifications of this virtual reality headset are not half terrible. Virtual reality gaming on the Oculus Rift S includes a 100-degree field of view and an 80 Hz refresh rate. Clearly, these specifications fall short of the Valve Index, but for around a quarter of the price, its value can satisfy a certain audience. The display resolution, in particular, provides enhanced optics, capable of displaying vibrant colors while minimizing the screen door effect. The refresh rate is marginally superior to that of the Quest, although the difference is negligible. Nevertheless, the Rift S genuinely shines when comparing the two devices' comfort. The OG Quest is lighter, but its uneven weight can be irritating during gameplay. The Rift S operates differently, despite being significantly heavier. This headset's mass distribution is more evenly spread across both sides of the virtual reality system. This is a result of the ergonomic design, in which the safety and security of your head have been given further concern. Number 3. HP Reverb G2. The HP Reverb G2 has a diverse range of usage cases. It can be utilized for training, gaming, movie viewing, simulations, etc. This is partly attributable to the HP Reverb G2's exceptional display resolution. Its display is an LCD. This view is as crystal sharp and colorful as virtual reality currently allows. In addition to the audiovisual pleasure, the remaining features and performance of this virtual reality headset are also satisfactory. You will receive a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a field of view spanning 114 degrees, and an adjustable IPD between 60 and 68 mm. These specifications may not be the best on the market, but they are acceptable for the ordinary buyer. But there's more. The designers of this virtual reality gear recognize that visual output is not everything. The auditory component also plays an important role. In addition to the audiovisual pleasure, the remaining features and performance of this virtual reality headset are also satisfactory. You will receive a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a field of view spanning 114 degrees, and an adjustable IPD between 60 and 68 mm. These specifications may not be the best on the market, but they are acceptable for the ordinary buyer. Overall, it's a fine mid-range VR headset despite being unimpressive. Number 4. Meta Quest 2 Advanced. Unlike most virtual reality headsets, the Oculus Quest 2 is affordable. It is easy to set up and entirely wireless, in addition to being an excellent bargain. The Oculus Quest 2 has a refresh rate of 90 Hz and an estimated 100-degree field of view. The Oculus Quest 2 is an excellent entry-level headset if you're not prepared to immediately invest in high-end equipment. Important: this is a solo, untethered headset with no PC-powered functionality. Unless your device is connected to a PC via the Oculus Link, this device will allow you to play PC-exclusive games with enhanced visuals if your PC also has high-end specifications. Steam and Steam VR are a natural outgrowth of this. Why we favored this item: simple to set up, affordable, great for novices, great value for the money. What we didn't like: demands a Facebook login, inadequate battery life, accessory required to play PC games, low IPD personalization. Number 5. Samsung HMD Odyssey. There are numerous Windows mixed reality headsets on the VR market, with some being superior to others. These headphones are typically compatible with Microsoft's Windows 10 operating system. It is less expensive than high-end VR headsets such as the Valve Index and Reverb G2. Yet it can still give an enhanced experience. And the best part is, because all VR headsets are PC-powered, they are all compatible with Steam. If you do not wish to use a wired headset, the Acer Windows Mixed Reality headset is a decent option that is still available in stores. You may alternatively choose the Lenovo Explorer, albeit it has been discontinued and may be difficult to locate in the wild. The Samsung Odyssey is one of the superior WMR VR headsets available. It has a refresh rate of 90 Hz, a 60 OF-free movement camera, and a 110-degree field of view. These WMR headsets perform admirably when playing VR games. However, they are difficult to locate, so you may have to go the extra mile to acquire one of the better ones online. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.